Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Terabox app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so I'm assuming you've already downloaded and installed Terabox and you've created an account. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up your Terabox app on your mobile device. I've got the free version, so there's going to be ads appearing on my screen, so I'm just going to click out of them as they come. All right, so as you can see, I'm in the home page of Terabox. So if you want to upload a photo or image, what we can do is click on the little black plus icon, bottom right hand corner of the page here. Click out of that little pop-up, and then we can upload photos if we like, documents, zips, applications, and more. So because I'm using the free version, I can't upload videos, so you can just keep that in mind. So if I want to go ahead and upload a photo, I'm going to click on photo. And now if I want to upload this image here, I'm going to click on the image, or if I want to do multiple images, I can just click on both and now click on upload. And you've got an option here to upload on cellular data, which I'm currently using, or wait for Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to use cellular data. And now this is going to upload to Terabox. So as you can see, it's uploading on cellular data here. So it'll take a few moments to upload. And here we go. So I've uploaded that image. So 2 images I've uploaded. So if I go ahead and click onto the pictures, I have noticed it is a little bit laggy using the free version as well. So here's the image I've uploaded. Simple as that. Now I'm going to go back here. Now on the top here, we've got 2 little tab thingies. So if we click on this box here, this has your messages all here. So you will see notifications from message. And if we click friends, we can click on friends. As we can see, I've got no friends. So if I want to add some friends into Terabox, I can click on add new friends, or click on the little user icon with a plus icon to request to add friends. I can click on my word, which is paste the social media and add friends here. So I can generate a Discord. So I copy this message, open Terabox and add me as a friend. So I can copy that and send that and paste that code to, you got Twitter, Instagram, Facebook messages, wherever you like to send that code to request to add friends. Now if we go back to the home page here, now if we want to click on our user profile and change our photo, we can do so. So if I want to change my image, I'll just click on the image, click on avatar, and now I can take a photo or choose from album. So you can play around with that. You can change your nickname, you can set up your birthday and change your email here as well. All right, so if we scroll down here, we got recent and benefits. If you want to change these tabs, we click on the 2 horizontal bars here. So we can add channels in here. So we can add starred and offline. So if we add them in, and we can change the order of how we want to sort these out here. So if I want to move recent, I'll just click and hold recent down and just move it. So if I want to move offline to be at the top, I'm going to drag it up like so and then click on save. And now you can see here, offline is going to be the first tab, so we can change how these tabs appear in order. And now if we scroll down again here, it says how to add an offline file. So it says select the file and tap download, online offline access. So we just click on the download button as it states here. And now on the bottom, we've got folders. So if we want to click on folders, we can see all start offline, and we can sort by time, by name, sort by file size. And you've also got a personal vault inside here. So if we click on personal vault, we can protect your files. So you can use password protection, safer document storage, and support fingerprint recognition, unlock, auto lock after 1 minute of inactivity. So we can enable this if we like. If we go back, another tab down below, if you click on images, it's going to show you the images and videos here. And likewise for videos, but because I'm using the free version, it's not going to show you any videos. And now if we want to share any files, we'll click on the share button on the bottom right hand corner of the page here, and then select files to share. So if we go ahead and click on the select files to share, Going to click on Johnny Depp and then click on share, and that's going to send. So we can share this to, your friends, Telegram, Snapchat, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, X, and more. Or you can copy the link and send the link directly to your friends or family.